So 10 million people are already mining the Pi cryptocurrency, and I have some great news for you guys and some terrible news actually. And I'm gonna be going over the little details of the times that it's perfect news and perfect things are happening finally in 2020. And I know it was one of those years that, a lot of crazy things happen and you don't want to even talk about it, but this time around there's a lot of good things that is happening with the stock market, and there's a lot of good things happening with the Pi cryptocurrency. So if you want to know more about Pi cryptocurrency and what's going on with Pi and how you can also make a lot of money with me with this app, it's kind of insane. So you gotta stay tuned, watch the rest of the video till the end, and find out how you would be able to also make money with Pi cryptocurrency in 2021, and a couple of the stocks that are going and flying up. So let's get into it, baby. Let's go. What is happening, guys? Welcome to another video. My name is Yousef, and today we're going to be talking about Pi cryptocurrency, stock market, and few stocks or few companies that they just went public in stock market. And I think you guys should take the time to actually start investing into these companies. And specifically today we're going to be talking about Pi cryptocurrency. I don't know about you guys if you guys watched a couple of my previous videos, but Pi cryptocurrency is one of those apps that basically you download the app, you sign up with someone who invites you through the app, which you can use my link and my code basically, because it's by invitation only. So by invitation, you can put my invitation code and get into the app and start mining the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone for free. But one thing that I want you to guys know, that Pi becoming more popular than ever. They have more than 10 million active users on their platform right now, which is kind of insane how far they came and what are the things that they're doing. But as you know, all the minings come to an end when they're free. So right now you can basically mine the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone for free, but it's becoming less and less and less, and it's gonna be harder to basically mine the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone. But today what I wanted to mention is I just looked them up, and literally you would be able to do the same thing. I just type Pi network value, and Google gives you the estimate value of how much Pi is worth. Each Pi is worth about 65 cents as of right now. I know this is all estimate and we may not, see that exact amount. It might be much more, it might be much less, but this is the valuation that these websites are giving to the Pi cryptocurrency, and they are insane, man. Just because basically you would be able to download the app, go in the app and press the bolt sign to basically mine every 24 hours for free, but they're giving you basically 1 Pi for free just to sign up, and you can start mining that on your phone. But now that they have 10 million subscribers, or basically 10 million people mining the app on their phone, they started making the mining a little bit harder. And they basically made it half of what it used to be till a couple of days ago. But it is still not late. You can still mine the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone, and you have to be on the lookout, because the more people they're gonna have mining, the less they're gonna pay over time to mine the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone. But again, it's still not too late to do that, but you have to realize that in almost a year, they're gonna be going public, and when they go public, they're gonna blow up. And you've been mining for a year or two, and you have all this Pi on your account, and just not to mention that they actually verify you as a person, so there's no more bots and there's no more computers on the account. But on that note, 65 cents a share, I mean, that's not bad at all for something for free. You're not investing any money into it. You're not putting any energy into it. All you do is you go into the app and just press the bolt time once every 24 hours and shabam, you're earning free money. But one thing that I wanted to talk about is the stock market and how everything has been crashing for the past few days. Again, people are asking me what's going on with the stock market? Why is it crashing? Why is so many stocks coming down? But I have to tell you that usually in December, where everybody is selling off their shares of the accounts that they own, because if they show that they lost money in the stock market, they can technically claim it as a lost income on their tax return, and they would be able to pay less taxes. So what they do is usually sell all their stocks in December, buy back into them in January, and they're basically made, you know, more money because they sold it at high, bought it at lows, and they also got tax credited on there. So I actually got my Pi notification. So every 24 hours, I will remind you guys to basically go into your app and make sure you're mining the Pi cryptocurrency on your phone, which is gonna be kind of convenient because sometimes I forget, all the other people who have already been in my group, they kind of remind me, and it makes me go back to the app and start investing in the Pi cryptocurrency again and one more time. Again, let me know if you guys like this type of content. I usually talk about Pi cryptocurrency, Pi network, cryptocurrency in general, which is doing amazing. Bitcoin has been still around 18,000, 19,000, and stock market. Leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think. Smash the like button, subscribe to my channel if you guys like to see more content like this. But one more thing that I wanted to talk about is definitely Airbnb. Airbnb finally went public as of December 10th, and their IPO. So basically now you can invest into Airbnb and buy their shares just like DoorDash, and they've been doing amazing. I know today has been a rough day for especially Airbnb because they went up a little bit and then they came down. So there's still evaluation has to be made till they actually do show their first earning in a couple of months, which that's gonna, you know, start showing the correct price for these companies, especially like DoorDash and Airbnb, which they could be somehow suffering during these times, but I know they're gonna pick up and be better. But again, 10 million people mining the Pi cryptocurrency. I think you should be one of them. Use my code, sign up, and start earning free Pi on your phone, because why not? You know, they're giving you free money. So hopefully you guys find this video helpful. Hope to see you guys soon in the next video, and ciao.